Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Alex and this is going to be day 0 of my trading journey. As you can see here, I just opened a new Robinhood account. No history here. I actually don't know why 30 cents here might be some interest, but I'm going to be starting the trading journey with about $11,000. The other 5,000 will be deposited tomorrow, which will be day 1 of the journey. I am not a professional trader. I just have a few years of trading experience. I want to give a quick disclaimer. Nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. I'm not a licensed professional. Please do all of your own research. Do not take anything that I say as a fact, or anything that anyone says on the internet, for that matter. But I just wanted to kind of track my journey, and if any of you want to follow along, talk about how your trades go, what strategies you use, anything like that. For this journey, I'm going to be using a strategy. Some people call it the wheel strategy, but it basically entails selling covered puts until the shares get assigned. Then you reverse it and sell covered calls. In this account, I'm going to be having relatively high risk tolerance. So, some days there could be hundreds of dollars swinging. Some weeks could be thousands of dollars. Um, for everyone else, you need to decide what risk you're okay with, what you're comfortable with. Everyone is different. For me, being a little bit younger, if I have a day where I lose $1,000 or a month stretch where I'm down a few thousand, that's okay. We can recover. I'm willing to take the risk for those higher rewards. And to go ahead and set a goal on day 0, at the end of 2026, I'm going to aim for $30,000 in this trading account, which is a little bit ambitious, but at the same time, I may also be depositing a little bit more money into the account. I do have a job, so I want to keep the cash flowing, keep the account growing, you know. Yeah. So I have a watch list here with a couple of the stocks that I just follow and some that I like to sell puts on. One of them being Riot. I usually look for stocks in the $10 to $30 range, and relatively high implied volatility. Um, these stocks could have a huge week or drop in a week, but this increased implied volatility usually gives a little bit of a boost to the options price. With this strategy I'm going to be using, probably going to be aiming for about 2% weekly gains, which is kind of optimistic. Some weeks maybe more, some weeks less, some weeks maybe negative. That's to be expected. But yeah. So the main content of my channel will be focused on this trading journey with this wheel strategy. I may be trying out a few other strategies. If anyone has recommendations, any strategies you guys like, I'd be willing to try them. Maybe in the future, some day trading videos or even day trading live streams. And that's not something I'm super comfortable with, so definitely would be fun to try. And also, some videos, maybe educational content, maybe learning what options are, some strategies that are very popular that, professional traders use, that hedge funds use, things like that. And I'll be posting most daily updates as a YouTube short, along with a weekly summary or a monthly summary or, a yearly summary whenever those happen as full-length videos on the channel. So, thank you for watching. If you're interested in following my journey, maybe consider subscribing. And yeah, stick around to see if I lose some money and take the account to 0. Let's just see what happens.